So good morning everyone. Today we are on here because of that we are going to debate one-to-one debate on the topic that private job and as well as the government job. What is the better features and the better separately in the both fields? That is the matter. Matter is that when we are entering in the any company, we are going to allow to the any company to work in the country, then we have a need to the permission of the government. Because of that, government is the supreme. They are giving to decision to how you will work. So I am not saying that private job is not a very private job is giving a lots of number of employment, but it is happening that if government is not doing to intervention, then private job doing to the money in their fields. That's why who are not allowed, person who are not eligible and not trusted for the private jobs. In the field of the government job, government is giving to the secretary that we can never fire if you are doing the well jobs. But in the field of the private jobs, if company they are going to be lost, then they can fire to their job. They can fire to their employments. If in the government sector, if company they are going to be a loss, then government is trying to secure their servant, those who are working in their company, their fields.
Now it's your turn. And cut his point also. Start.
Actually, first we understand that what is the unemployment in our country and how unemployment is growing. So my first point is that government job is a big matter and big reason of unemployment is growing in our country.
Clap for this line.
Because with the love of government job, youths are preparing for government job. Lots of youths are preparing for few seats of government jobs. And due to duration of preparing, they are wasting their years, lots of years. You can see 5 years of graduate also are preparing. So government jobs can be given to a limited number of youths. Then what happened after that? Because that youths are unemployment permanently. Why? Because private job considered fresher to give the job to fresher which is just graduated. Like if one graduated in 2023, then 2024 and 23 can be get a good job in private. But if students wasting their years like 5 years, then the gap is included in their careers. Due to this, that students are not able to achieve government job or not private job. That's why these students are permanently unemployed.
So we are going discussing the job field. I agree that in the private sector there are lots of opportunity to the job. But in the government sector is a very small. That's why we can say that it's a very few number of the jobs we can see here. Here we are talking on the job secretary and job facility. In the field of secretary, we can say that if you are going to some blackness in the field of private job, then it can be a fire. your work will also matter that how this time you will work in that company. That is also matter in the government sector, but I will say that in the government sector has a matter that the company they are going to be a loss. But after government is trying to be save their workers or and their those who working in the company and that field. But in the private sector, if the company they are going to be lost, they can easily fire to you. Never think about to their servant or their workers. That is the thing. If any workers they have been going to be their younger age in that company, their family they all are dependent on their company. In the after the company they fired in the older age, then what the workers will do?
Countering each other.
Firstly,
Just go for debate.
there is no replacement policy in the government job, but replacement policy in the private job. In government job, You are saying that I have a secured job, government job. Then why are you fearing? Because you are talking about secure and private employed are not insecure. Then why are you fearing that my job can be lost? Because you have no skill. If you have a skill, then you can work in private job. And in private job there is a replacement, because if you are working in one company and you are getting like something 10 LPA salary, but your company is not giving a good increment, then you can switch other company and you can grab a more salary like 13 LPA, 15 LPA.
What would you like to
That's
say?
the opportunity.
So he said that the opportunity to switch the company if you have a skill there. I am saying that if you are working in the younger age, then you have a capacity to work in the company. Then you are going to in the older age, your capacity is going to decline. On that time, your company without anything, you are fired to you. Then what will you on that time do?
Firstly, I would like to say that company is not going to hire fresher directly. If a company has companies are come into trouble in any financial crisis, they firstly fire those employees who are getting a lot of salary. Because companies are benefited with the help of freshers. Because for a project, like a project of Bank of America, then in that project, fresher experience all are working together. But that client is paying equal money to the employee, and the company paying money according to fresher and according to the experience. So that's due to fresher companies are in benefits. So
I
in
think that.
Carry on, carry on. Countering is there, yes.
So he said that company is not hiring to very easy. I am giving the example of the Alpha company. Alphabet company is hired in the last 2 years more than 1.5 lakhs of the employees, as well as more number of the society of the company staffing the employees. Because of that, Apple is giving to the lots of pressure in their staffs. That's why they are doing to that's why they are doing to society.
okay, firstly we are talking to big company like Alphabet, Amazon, Google, Flipkart.
Microsoft is also
Microsoft is a big company, and these companies are giving a huge amount of salary. Suppose that company fires their employees, then that company is also giving the notice period like 3 months. And in 3 months, because the employees of that companies are also belonging from the good company, then that employees can get easily job in other company.
No.
There is no matter of fire, because employees are already residing in company, because employees understand the requirement of company. If employee understand that the company is going to lose, then employees is directly going to search for the job. And company also giving the 3 months after firing. And company is not like a firing, I am you firing. Companies told employees put a resignation. Hiring and putting resignation is a different thing. If I fire from my company, then you are not eligible to get a job, because I make a buy you can.
Carry on, carry on, carry on. Black spot.
So my thinking that he said that the company is never thinking that they fired to before. I am saying that if you are making skills in the engineering field, then you will make any one field of the skills. Like he is like a CS in the computer field. He has a skill in the field of the CS, computer science. But he can never do work in the civil sector in a different sector. But I will say that in the past, in the past 13 years, listen that maximum number of the person who was working, who was going to engineer in the civil sector as well as in the mechanical sector. Nowadays, requirement of the civil sector is enough. Those person they did on that and thinking to requirement and they did work to their engineering in the civil sector. What he is doing? Because of that, now it's not an opportunity in the civil sector. No medical opportunity in the
So
civil
who said engineering students have not opportunities in the civil sector? We already saying that IITians are top of the UPSC exams.
now, suppose that you are doing you did done to your degree in the CS sector. Suppose that after 20 years, every CS worker power take to the AI. Then what the company will do? They will hire to the employment
Firstly, AI is not going to replacement the job. AI is going to create the opportunity because if due to AI, the companies grows more and more. And also, I want to put a statement of Rahul Gandhi. And you were asked a question to Rahul Gandhi. Does AI is responsible for to the loss of employment in our country? Then Rahul Gandhi said that AI is not responsible. Maybe some jobs can be lost due to AI, but more jobs also be created.